In this video, I will show you how to use goal seek function. So goal seek function means, suppose these are the sales. This column belongs to May sales and this one is June sales. Suppose your May sale is $480,236. Now you want to make it 500,000. So your goal is to make May sale 500,000 by replacing this value 23,456. So for this, first you have to select this cell reference, which is C14. Then you have to go to the data tab, and in forecast group you have to click what if analysis and then goal seek. So see, you will see automatically C14, which is this cell, is highlighted here. Then to value means what is your goal. So our goal is to make it 500,000 by changing, and then this one we want to replace this value. So just click here and OK. So see, your goal was to make May sale 500,000 by increasing this value. So this is now 43,220. So one more time, we will do the same function on June sales. So here I will just make a round figure. Suppose here your goal is to make it 400,000 by replacing this value 12,345. So how much you have to add more in order to make it 400,000? First again you have to go to the data tab, then what if analysis, goal seek. See, automatically D14 cell reference is here. To value, what value you want to make? Just I will make the round figure 400,000 by changing which cell. I said this one. So here this is the cell reference, and then OK, and then OK. So see how simple it is. This is the goal seek function. So wherever you are, first you have to go to the data tab, and from data you have to go to the forecast group, open this goal seek and apply the goal seek function. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching it.